Good evening, ABR-MarketWatch viewers. Let's wrap up today's market events with a focus on global trends. While U.S. stocks are trading at high valuations, developed economies outside the U.S., particularly those in the MSCI EAFE Index, are less expensive and expected to grow rapidly over the next 2 years. This is a key takeaway from an article by MarketWatch's Philip Van Doorn. The lesson here? Investors should be more concerned about high valuations than just high prices during a bull market. For instance, the S&P 500 SPX has a much higher PE ratio compared to its long-term average, but the MSCI EAFE ETF EFA trades at a lower PE and is only slightly above its 10-year average valuation. The afternoon trade saw U.S. stocks rise, with the S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 gaining 0.2% and the Dow Jones climbing over 200 points, keeping markets near record highs. This uptick comes amid a revised labor report showing fewer jobs added in March than initially thought, fueling expectations of a Fed rate cut at their upcoming meeting. The weaker jobs outlook has now shifted discussions to the potential size of the reduction. Sector leaders include energy, while materials lagged. Megacaps like Meta and Alphabet advanced, but Apple slipped following its new iPhone 17 unveiling, raising questions about sustained demand. Investors are now focused on this week's PPI and CPI reports, crucial for shaping Fed policy decisions. In contrast to the concentrated SPY fund for the S&P 500, the EFA fund tracks the MSCI EAFE Index and is far less concentrated. The article provides a list of 20 companies within the MSCI EAFE Index that analysts expect to grow rapidly from 2025 to 2027, with stocks like Nebius and CoreWeave standing out for their potential growth due to partnerships with Microsoft. In essence, while U.S. stocks may appear expensive, there's potential in the global market, particularly in less concentrated indexes like the MSCI EAFE Index. It's always essential to do thorough research before investing in any company or fund. As we look forward, keep an eye on this week's PPI and CPI reports for insights on Fed policy decisions, and remember, knowledge is your best investment strategy. Stay tuned to ABR MarketWatch for more market updates.